Glenn Murphy was a businessman that served as the chairman and CEO of Gap. Though he will forever be known for his successes in the clothing industry, he has since moved on to new endeavors, and today he holds managing positions at FIS Holdings. Glenn Murphy and his wife Stacy are philanthropists, donating millions to the Notre Dame's men's basketball program and mental health causes. Now, Murphy can add Malibu homeowner to the list, having paid retired businessman Joseph Alibrandi and wife Tuni just over $42 million earlier this year for an oceanfront mansion resting atop a bluff on the western end of Malibu in a little-known gated community. For today's video, exclusive to our TTP members, we will be talking more about the former CEO of Gap, Glenn Murphy, and his new $42 million Malibu Seaside estate. Now without further ado, let's get into the video. The couple originally listed their mansion with a $56.5 million price tag, which was reduced to $50 million before it went to Murphy this past February at a substantial discount. The home is currently listed for $10 million, and the couple maintains their primary residence in Toronto. As for Murphy's newly acquired vacation digs, that place has 5 bedrooms and 7 baths, spread across 10,500 square feet of living space on 3 levels. Sited on a gated 1.2-acre lot, comprising 10 separate parcels, all overlooking about 281 feet of ocean frontage. The impressive stucco and terracotta roof structure was custom-built by the Alibrandis in the 1990s, complete with glitzy amenities, an elevator, game and screening rooms, a gym and wine cellar with tasting room, just to name a few. Plus, walls of glass providing seamless indoor-outdoor environs. The house is welcoming and majestic, with a beautiful entry point. The windows let in natural light and there is ample space. There are vaulted ceilings that displays clear story windows. There is an elevated dining area off of the living room, with a bar next to it. Elsewhere, you will find a breakfast nook that includes a contemporary 2-way fireplace, perfect for family gatherings. This cozy space will connect to a gourmet kitchen outfitted with high-end appliances and seating for 6. There are 3 ocean view suites that can be found upstairs, while the sizable master on the main hosts a fireside seating area, designer showroom closet, and a luxe bath equipped with dual vanities, a soaking tub, and a glass-encased shower. And now back, the picturesque grounds hold a wraparound terrace ideal for al fresco entertaining and relaxing with a swanky kitchen setup, as well as a fire pit, hot tub, and an outdoor shower for 2. There's also a grassy lawn with plenty of room for a pool and a private staircase to the beach below. The Gap Inc., commonly known as Gap Inc. or Gap, is an American worldwide clothing and accessories retailer. Gap was founded in 1969 by Donald Fisher and Doris F. Fisher and is headquartered in San Francisco, California. The company operates 4 primary divisions: Gap, Banana Republic, Old Navy, and Athleta. The company specializes in a wide array of clothing for men, women, children, and babies. Gap Incorporated is the largest specialty retailer in the United States. It has approximately 135,000 employees and operates 3,727 stores worldwide. The Fisher family has been involved in the company on an ongoing basis. Donald Fisher served as chairman of the board until 2004 and was involved with the dismissal of Miller Drexler as CEO in 2002. He remained on the board until his death in 2009. Fisher's wife and their son Robert J. Fisher also serve as Gap's board of directors. Robert succeeded his father as chairman in 2004 and also served as CEO on an interim basis following the resignation of Raul Pressler in 2007, before being succeeded by Glenn K. Murphy up until 2014. From February 2015 to November 2019, Art Peck was CEO of Gap Incorporated until Sonia Singal replaced him in March 2020. Singal stepped down in July 2022, with executive chairman Bob Martin serving as an interim CEO. In 2007, Gap announced that it would focus its efforts on recruiting a chief executive officer who has deep retailing and merchandising experience, ideally in apparel, understands the creative process, and can effectively execute strategies in large, complex environments while maintaining strong financial discipline. That January, Presley resigned after 2 disappointing holiday sales seasons and was succeeded by Robert J. Fisher on an interim basis. He began working with the company in 1980 and joined the board in 1990 and would later assume several senior executive positions, including president of Banana Republic and the Gap units. The board's search committee was led by Adrian Bellamy, chairman of the Body Shop International, and included founder Donald Fisher. On February 2, Marka Hansen, the former head of the Banana Republic division, replaced by Cynthia Harris as the leader of the Gap division. The executive president for marketing and merchandising, Jack Calhoun, became interim president of Banana Republic. In May, Old Navy laid off approximately 300 managers in lower volume locations to help streamline costs. That July, Glenn Murphy, previously CEO of Shoppers Drug Mart in Canada, was announced as the new CEO of Gap Incorporated. New lead designers were also brought on board to help define a fashionable image, including Patrick Robinson of Gap Adult, Simon Neen for the Banana Republic, and Todd Oldham for Old Navy. Robinson was fired as chief designer in 2007, but was dismissed in May 2011 after sales failed to increase. However, he enjoyed commercial success in international markets. In 2007, Ethisphere magazine chose Gap from among the thousands of companies evaluated as one of the 100 world's most ethical companies. On February 19, 2014, Glenn Murphy, CEO of Gap Incorporated, announced Gap will raise the minimum wages for its 65,000 U.S. store employees. Lululemon has appointed Chairman and CEO of FIS Group, LLC Glenn Murphy, to the company's board of directors as co-chairman. The company said Michael Casey will step down from the role of co-chairman and remain a director with limited responsibilities, but will continue to chair the compensation committee as well as stay on the chairperson for the audit committee. I am grateful for Michael's valuable contributions as co-chairman and appreciate his continued commitment as part of the board for the past 9 years, said David Musafir, co-chairman of Lululemon in a statement, adding, I am delighted to welcome Glenn to the board as co-chairman. An experienced industry executive with more than 25 years in retail, he brings an established track record as a strategic operator across major retail brands. Glenn is a seasoned executive with global expertise, and I look forward to leveraging his strategic thinking, skills, and deep industry knowledge, added Laurent Pot-Devin, CEO of Lululemon. The statement added that as head of FIS Holdings, Murphy is responsible for leading the high-impact consumer-focused investment firm, deploying a combination of operating guidance and capital flexibility. Prior to founding FIS Holdings, he has also led diverse retail businesses and brands across grocery, pharma, health and beauty, books, and lifestyle. As CEO of Shoppers Drug Mart Corporation and CEO and president of the retail division of Chapters, he gained years of expertise in diverse industries. During his career at Low Labs, he spent 14 years there. Upon returning to Toronto, he has also been involved in Sunnybrook Hospital and coaching recent university graduates in their early career decisions. There you have our TTP video for today. Now, what do you think about the house? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell, and like this video. If you think that we've delivered value, please share this video with one person. Just one share is enough for us, for you to show your appreciation for the commitment and hard work we all put together in creating this video that teaches and helps you on your mission of building your own fortune. And you don't know that one share could go a long way. Keep in mind that no matter how many times you're going to watch this video, you won't see any results unless you take action. Goodbye and see you at the next one.